If you're looking to use form builders to qualify leads on Autopilot, you're in the right place. In just 3 minutes, I'll show you how to set up an automated process that not only saves you time, but also ensures you're connecting with high-quality leads right away. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up these forms to qualify leads on Autopilot, and I'll even give you a chance to test out the software we're using for free. So, let's dive right in. First things first. A form builder allows you to create customizable forms that collect important information from potential leads. But to use them effectively for lead qualification, you need to make sure you're asking the right questions. Start by defining the key information you need to know about your leads. This could include budget, timeline, industry, or any specific requirements relevant to your business. Once you know the key data you need, it's time to create your form. Most form builders allow you to design forms that are easy to fill out and visually appealing, but also smart enough to collect the right data automatically. For example, you can use conditional logic to show or hide questions based on previous answers, ensuring that you're asking the most relevant questions to each lead. This ensures that you aren't wasting time with unqualified leads. Another useful feature is integrating your form with your CRM or email system. This can help automate the process further by automatically transferring lead data into your system, where you can immediately categorize and follow up with them based on their answers. That's where the power of automating your lead qualification truly shines. The key here is to set up your form so that it does the work for you. You can even set up email alerts or notifications based on specific answers. For example, if someone fills out a form saying they're looking to buy within the next 30 days, you could get an immediate alert to follow up with that lead quickly. Or you can automate responses that guide leads down the right path, whether that's sending them a case study, offering a demo, or booking a call. Most importantly, using a form builder helps you streamline the entire lead qualification process. Instead of manually sorting through submissions and following up with every lead, the form will automatically prioritize the most promising ones based on your defined criteria. This saves you hours of time and helps ensure that you're focused on the leads that matter most. Now, I've tried several popular form building tools, and the one we'll be using in this tutorial has been the most seamless and effective for automating lead qualification. If you want to follow along and get a feel for how this works yourself, I've got an exclusive free trial link for you in the description below. This trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. To summarize, you want to first define the data you need to qualify leads, then use a form builder to create smart, automated forms that ask the right questions. Integrate those forms with your CRM for automation, and set up notifications to keep you in the loop. This will help you qualify leads on Autopilot, saving you time and ensuring that you're always focused on the leads that matter. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description. It's a great chance to test the software out for yourself. The key takeaway from this video is that using form builders to qualify leads on Autopilot is all about asking the right questions, automating your processes, and ensuring that the leads you focus on are the ones most likely to convert. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to grab that free trial if you want to see how it all works for yourself. Thanks for watching.